I have used a lot of coatings, and although I professionally apply ceramic coatings from other brands, I recognize Gtechniq as a respected and reputable face in the detailing industry. Also, being at Mobile Tech Expo, I jumped at the opportunity to learn more about the technology of coatings from one of the top detailing chemists, Lee Kennedy. And later I got the pleasure of interviewing him about the new product releases.
Can you tell me a little bit about GT1?
GT1. So GT1 is our new coating that we're just about to release. So with this, what we've gone for is really easy to apply ceramic. So this would be for primarily first-time user, a novice, or potentially even a mobile detailer, because one of the advantages of this is it can be applied outside. So to take you through a little bit of the chemistry behind what we've done, it's similar to our other coatings. It's a polysiloxane coating, contains silicon nanoparticles. But what we've done, we've managed to get a good balance of hydrophobic and cleaning performance, so dirt repellence, cleanability, and scratch resistance. But what we've lost there a little bit is the durability. So this is only going to last 1 year, but we're happy with that because it's so easy to apply. So it's very easy to apply. You'll get about a year's worth of performance from it.
Yes, while we're on it, can you tell me a little bit more about the rinseless wash?
Rinseless wash, yes, that's another one of our new products that's a little bit further down the line. We're still signed off the formulation, but we've still got to work on the launch, etc. So that is, we've gone for a pure detergent. So there's no polymers or actual sort of ceramic protection gets left behind. So this is purely just a wash product. We've used some new technology called cone surfactants, which is a way that encapsulates dirt and really pulls it off the cloth, off the surface, and encapsulates it into the water. So we're getting, we did sort of clear bucket tests side by side with some other formulations, and our water was black and our cloths were clean. So it's really doing a good job. Also, that's quite a versatile product. So you can put it into a pump sprayer, about a 10% dilution, and go around any heavily soiled areas. And that's really going to help pull the dirt off the car before you start doing that contact wash, which is important to avoid marring.
I also heard it leaves nothing behind.
Yes, it was that as well. Like I say, is one thing very important with a rinseless wash, because if you leave too much of the surfactants behind, that will in time will attract dirt themselves, because that's what they're designed to do. So this is, like I say, we've done a lot of work, so it just leaves the surface clean. So after you finish washing the car, one bucket, dry it off, there's nothing left behind on the surface.
Great. I'm looking forward to it.
Yeah, sounds good.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Nice to meet you, Rodney.
Nice to meet you.